This guy has made over $150,000 just by uploading pictures created by MIDJOURNEY AI. If you want to make that much money from the AI revolution, stay with me before it comes saturated. It's AI Wizard, and if you want to make the same amount of money, stay with us for the next few minutes. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to ensure you don't miss business opportunities like this. Now, let's begin. To build the same kind of business, we'll only need one tool, MIDJOURNEY AI, which we'll use to generate stock pictures to sell on stock websites. In this case, we'll use Adobe Stock to upload all the images generated by MIDJOURNEY. Several months ago, Adobe announced that they accept AI-generated pictures on their stock portfolios. So you're 100% safe doing this on Adobe. The way this business works is that some people need stock images for their blogs, YouTube channels, or just for themselves. But since using pictures that are owned by someone is prohibited, you should pay for them. Adobe Stock pays around $1 per sale. Someone might think $1 isn't that much, but around 30 million people visit Adobe Stock per month. If you manage to find a niche in which 0.001% of them are interested in and let them purchase at least once, you're still making $30,000 a month, and that's incredible. We can generate an unlimited number of pictures and upload them on Adobe with the help of MIDJOURNEY. Generating and uploading around 50 photos per day takes a maximum of 1 or 2 hours, and if you stay consistent, you'll have a portfolio of 1,500 pictures in just 1 month. That many pictures can already generate a really good passive income. Okay, now that's enough talking. Let's get to the main part. Open MIDJOURNEY AI and create some pictures in the niche you like. In this case, we'll use the finance niche, since they sell the most. Choose the size you want. All of them sell well, but the most common is 3x2. After you generate the picture, upscale it and download it. Then we'll have to upscale it a little bit more, for which we'll use a website that is free. After that, we'll download our upscaled image, and we're ready to upload it on Adobe Stock. Now, let's talk a little about Adobe Stock. It takes several minutes to register on Adobe Stock and start selling on it. They won't ask for any documents or business-related questions, so the process is really easy. After you gain access to your Adobe Stock contributor profile, click Upload. Choose the picture we upscaled already. And on the right side, checkmark Created using generative AI tools. Choose No for that question. Write the title for the picture. Use ChatGPT to create both title and keywords for us. Then we will use them on our uploaded picture. After that, we will click Submit Files, and we're done. It will take around 1 or 2 days to get approved by Adobe, but 99% of pictures are approved. Only pictures that might have recognizable people on them get declined. And if you stay consistent, you'll manage to grow this as a really good passive income source. If you're interested in seeing my portfolio with my income statements on Adobe Stock, please write below in the comment section and like the video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.